Joe, good to see you today, by the way.
Yeah, you too, buddy. Always a pleasure.
Hi, Lieutenant Governor. We're live and ready to go when you are.
Okay, thank you. I apologize for the delay.
Can't hear us.
No sound, Governor.
Okay, well,
Can't hear you.
Councilor Hurley.
We can't hear you.
Silent.
I can hear you.
It's easy.
This is why I hate Zoom.
Okay,
Marilyn,
You,
quiet.
Governor, you can hold up notes and we'll vote.
Joe.
All set?
Banging.
Thank you.
Can you hear her at all?
we hear you.
Only when they focus on us.
They can see us.
Sometimes. Not all
We
the
can
time.
see you. We can hear you. I'm
You can hear
joined
very
here
faint.
by Councilor Hurley and Councilor Duff. Can you hear us?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes.
Okay, all right. We call our order. I'd like to start our prayer and pledge today by calling on Councilor Hurley.
Thank you. I'd like to offer a prayer for all of those of us who have lost our health, our peace of mind, our housing, our financial security, a loved one, our dreams, our talents, our initial zeal, our sobriety, our faith, our self-respect, our perspective, our innocence, our independence, peace within our families, civil peace, our trust in others, our virtue for our home. In this time of unprecedented death, I also offer prayer for the 500,000 people who have lost their lives to COVID. Amen.
Amen.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Councilor Hurley. I'd now like to call on Councilor to record consent for the financial warrant.
Who did she call on?
Councilor Duff.
Oh, so moved, Governor.
Second.
Second,
All those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
I recognize Councilor Ferrierra for a motion to record advice and consent for the pending list of notaries public and justices of the peace.
Don't move, Governor.
Second.
There's
second,
a motion and a second. All in favor, say aye.
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 I recognize Councilor Iannella for a motion to record advice and consent for the appointment of John E. Garland to the position of Associate Justice of the Boston Municipal Court.
Thank you. I make a motion that we approve John Garland as an Associate Justice of the Boston Municipal Court.
So moved.
Second.
Second,
There's a motion and a second.
Excellent.
Okay. We may begin the roll call.
Counselor Iannella,
Yes.
Counselor Duff,
Yes.
Counselor Kennedy,
Yes.
Counselor DePalo,
Yes.
Counselor Hurley,
yes.
Counselor Ferrierra,
Yes.
Counselor Jubinville,
Yes.
Counselor Devaney,
Marilyn?
Yes.
8-0, Governor.
Okay, I thank you very much. I appreciate work, and I know you have a hearing underway today. Be safe, be healthy, and Councilor Hurley, thank you for acknowledging those who have been lost to COVID. I appreciate everyone's prayers and acknowledgement of the devastation COVID has caused to individuals and families, businesses, and people across our Commonwealth. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Be safe.
Thank you.